Victoria Rees and I'm the editor of Security Journal Americas, and I'm here at ISC West 2023 with Brad McMullen, who is the president of 3xLOGIC. Brad, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. It's been a fantastic show. This is day 2, but very excited. Traffic's been very high, so we're thrilled to be here.
Yeah, it's been really busy. It's been great to see. So on that note, why is ISC West such an important show for the security industry?
Yeah, it's really one of the few places where you can have security companies, integrators, value-added resellers, distributors, along with end users come to the show, be educated on what technology is out there, what new technology is out there, what are trends in the industry that they should be looking at and dealing with. And we've really seen a shift in the industry over the last couple of years where integrators used to be the source of truth, and they still are. They're very good at helping their customers make decisions. But more and more, we have a lot of end users now that really want to understand security more. They want to understand the technology more. And so they're coming directly to manufacturers and asking questions. What about the cloud? When should I be moving? Things about bandwidth. And so the beauty of being able to have that all in one spot, right? End users can come get educated, integrators can get educated, and in a lot of cases they come together, right? So the end user is coming to solve a problem, the integrator is helping them through it, and coming to the manufacturers to say, here's a problem we're looking to solve, can you help us do that? Yeah. So I know we had a gap year when we had COVID, and I think the industry felt it, right? And I think that really shows with now that the show is up and running and travel restrictions are gone, the attendance just, I think is a testament to the importance of the show and the value of the show.
Absolutely. So could you just tell me a bit more about your new X-Series edge-based deep learning analytics cameras?
Yeah, it's a great question. And in the total security industry, one of the fastest growing areas is video, right? And video has changed rapidly over the years, right? It's gotten much more powerful, the clarity of cameras has gotten much better, and what video is able to do has changed dramatically. So before, where it was just, hey, we're taking a recording of what's happening, we can maybe use it for what happened or evidence. Now the same cameras, the same infrastructure can be used for not only security, but also for other information, people detection, vehicle detection, trying to do search on maybe a specific person that's coming through. And so with our edge-based analytics cameras, we can do that very cost effectively now, and we can do it at the edge versus having to do it on a recorder. And it's one of the areas where, again, in security, getting the budget to put some of these things in is critical.
Yes.
And so being able to convince an organization that we're going to put in a security solution, but you can use it not only for security, but also to run a better operation, a more efficient operation, be safer, give us insights that we didn't have before, just helps them justify the purchase, right? Yeah. And our cameras can help them do that. It adds more than security to what they're doing in video.
Yeah, fantastic. So how does that then support the Vigil suite?
Yeah, so with Vigil, obviously very powerful video management solution. And we offer on-prem, right? So you can have a box on-prem, a recorder on-prem. But now with the edge-based cameras, right, you can also add to that solution very cost-effectively. Or we give the customer the option now to do what you've done before on-premise. Now you can do things very similar if you want to go 100% to the cloud. Right. So you can make a choice of stay with your on-premise solution, go 100% to the cloud, or we can give you a hybrid option as well if you want to adopt over time.
So what are 3xLOGIC's plans to expand your range of products over the next 12 months in the cloud sector?
Yeah, so great question, and thank you for asking. So our focus will continue to be on analytics, right? Continue to add analytics to the cameras so that we can continue to look at more use cases. We'll look at more specialty cameras. So one of the things that we're talking about today is a hybrid thermal sensor. So basically 2 lenses, a thermal sensor and a traditional camera, in one format, right? So you have the ability to see those on screen, makes it much easier for the user when they're doing protection.
Yes.
And then you'll also see us start to integrate our products into some traditional access control and intrusion. So the user in the future will really have the ability to do everything, intrusion, access control, video, all in one app or all in one browser.
So is there anything else the security industry needs more awareness about or needs to be talking about?
Yeah, so I think there's a couple of things. Unfortunately, these mass shootings are just a continued problem in the industry. There's a lot of opportunity out there for some sort of gunshot detection solution. Some of them are very high priced, some are lower priced, but as an industry, it's something that I think we need to continue to bring solutions to the market. On the 3xLOGIC side, we have introduced a gunshot detection unit into the market. Very cost effective, very user friendly, and can be integrated into any system. So you don't have to have a 3xLOGIC video management system or access control system to plug it in. So I would say that's one. And along those same lines, just the idea of taking connected sensors, IoT sensors, things that are maybe measuring energy, temperature, light, whatever the case may be, and pulling it into one platform or one ecosystem. So now not only do you have your traditional security solution, but you've added all these other sensors to give you more awareness of your business, so you can really use your existing infrastructure to go beyond security.
Brilliant. Thank you so much for speaking with me today, Brad. It's been great.
Thank you.